Hello guys, today I have the CMF Buds 1 by nothing, and I'm going to show you how to fix that battery level of the left and right earbuds are different. So actually, the first thing that you need to do is to do a factory reset. Open the case like this and hold this button over here for 10 seconds like this until the light here goes red 3 times. After this time everything should be working fine. If it still isn't, you need to plug them into the power, and like this here the light, you need to plug them into your power outlet and wait a few hours until they are fully charged. If they are, that's nice, and if the issue is fixed, that's nice. But if the issue still isn't fixed, you need to now take the earbud like this, check if there is some dirt. If there is, you need to clean it, and the same on these pads too. Here the same. If you see that the LED light is blinking when you place your earbuds on it, it means that they are detected and they are charging equally. So the issue is fixed. But if your earbuds are still not fixed, you need to contact device support and have your earbuds fixed. Goodbye.